Hello, grade 2, how are you? Today we're gonna talk about the last part of the lesson. What are some land environments? We're gonna speak about the rainforest. So kindly open up your science book, page 194. Before we start, let us see a picture of rainforest. This picture shows an example of a real rainforest. As you see here, look at the trees, they are very tall, and the climate there is, let us say, warm. It's not hot and it's not cold, it's warm, yani moderate, and it rains all the year there. So it has rain all the year time. That's why they call it rainforest, because rain is there all the time. And about the animals, if you notice here, the trees are very tall, so the animals must learn how to climb trees to find food and to live on some trees. So these animals are like the sloth. You know, guys, the sloth is a very lazy animal. It doesn't like to move a lot, and it likes sleeping. So as you see here, look at this. The sloth is adapted to live in the rainforest. It knows how to climb tall trees. Actually, it lives on the trees. It has a very funny face. It's covered with hair, as you see here. So this is the sloth, the first animal that lives in the rainforest. The second animal is the tree frog. This kind of frogs, it likes to climb trees because it lives in the rainforest where the trees are very tall. Look, it looks very weird, right? It has here red eyes, green skin. Look at the legs and hands of it. It looks weird. So this is the tree frog. And the last animal here that lives in the rainforest is the gorilla. Gorilla is an animal. It lives in the rainforest. It knows how to climb trees. Everybody knows it. Now let us summarize what is important on page 194. The first sentence here the first paragraph here is very important. It talks about the rainforest. It's an environment that has tall trees, warm climate, and rain all the year long. This is a very important paragraph. And the last sentence here, it talks about, the last two paragraphs, they talk about the animals of the rainforest. Some animals like gorillas, sloths, and tree frogs, they live on the, in the rainforest. Birds can live there too. Now we have a question at the end of page 194. It says, name two animals that live in the rainforest. Excellent, bravo. We're gonna write the sloths and the tree frogs. So we will write the sloths and tree frogs. Now let's move to page 198. Let us do the lesson review together as we finish this lesson. What are some land environments? So this is the lesson review, page 198. We did this question before. Let us do it again. Use the clue to unscramble each word. The place where living things live is called habitat. Excellent. So here we're going to rearrange the letters to make the word habitat. So the place where living things, as we said, it's habitat. So you're going to now in your book rearrange the letters to make the word habitat. All living things and non-living things in an area is called environment. So kindly write the word environment. Now let's move to question number 2. We're gonna match or draw a line to match each environment to the animal that might live there. The camel lives in desert. The seal lives in tundra. And The gorilla lives in rainforest. Now let's move to page 199. We have one more question to do. We will do question number 3. We will not do question number 4. It's enough to do question number 3. It says, why would it be hard for these animals to live in the desert? As you see here, we have polar bears. They have thick fur, so imagine if they move to live in desert, they may die because of the hot weather. They are adapted to live in cold environments only. So we're gonna write here, because they have thick fur. They have thick fur to live in a cold environment only. So here we're gonna write, okay, thick fur. And that's it. This is all for today. By this we finished the lesson. What are some land environments? Wish you all the luck. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye everyone. I love you so much. Bye bye.